Hey there guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in this video, I'll show you how to make this amazing infographic slide of a map and a PowerPoint in just 6 minutes. By the way, let me tell you that you can download this template for free from the link in the description below and it's free to use. So let's begin. The first thing you have to do is open up a blank slide and go to format background. From here, you're going to change the background color to a solid dark fill. Next, we're going to insert a circle in the middle and the center of the slide and remove its outline. Give it the fill of white color. Go to soft edges and give it the soft edges of 100. And we're going to go to shape format. Give it a transparency that barely some part of it is visible. Close the format background, go to insert tab and shapes, and then you're going to click on images, and from here you're gonna select one map from your documents or wherever you want to use them from. Duplicate it about 4 times because we're gonna make about four cropped parts of it. One goes the top right corner, one goes the top right bottom part, and one goes the top left right top left top part, and one goes the top bottom left part. So this is how it looks right now. Select all of the parts. So as you can see, I have selected about 40 parts. We're gonna select each one of them individually and then we're gonna give them a fill. By the way, let me tell you that I have taken this map SVG from mapsvg.com, which is a free website where you can download a variety of SVGs of maps around the world and of different individual countries as well. I'll give the link to the website in the description. You can use it from there, and I'll also give the link to this individual map that I have used from there. So the next thing you're going to do is go to selection pan and check out from here that you have only selected the image, the pictures that are four. Next, we're going to insert a straight line that connects the second map with next we're going to move it, duplicate it, and place it horizontal vertically next to the first line. The next thing we're going to do is duplicate the first part of the line and move it right on top. Next, we're going to insert our content text, which will be linked to the map with these lines. The next thing we're going to do is give this text some line spacing because I want it to look more professional. And let's decrease its size so that it doesn't move out of the slide. Next, what you have to do is insert a small circle about 0.1, no, I mean 0.6 centimeter of height and width. We're gonna put it right at the end of the line. Next, we're gonna give it an outline of the color of the map. It is part of the map that is connected to. Now we're gonna give it a fill of white color and give it an outline of 6p.t from the weight option. So now select the lines and group them by pressing Ctrl plus G. And we're going to duplicate this shape and then we're going to rotate them so that we can just use them in the other part of the map to connect the other part of the map with its individual and different text box. Similarly, we're going to select the circle that connects the map and we're going to go to shape outline and we're going to change its color. You have to give it a fill of white and give it a feel of the color or that is we have used in the map. So the color palette I have used is shades color palette, and I will provide this palette along with the template. So when you open the template, it will be placed right onto the left top corner out of the slide. And you can also download this template for free from the link in the description below, and it's completely free to use. I have also provided the resources below. By the way, don't forget to check out my other videos. And I'm telling you this again that every video I have ever made have a link to a free link to download them. And I don't take any cost for these templates and they are just free to use. So please appreciate our hard work as well in the comment section below, and also try to support us by subscribing to our YouTube channel and also liking each of the video you have ever watched. So that was one of my requests for you. Thank you for helping us reach 1K subs, and that was a really memorable moment for us. So that's all I had to say to you. Next, let's continue onto our template. The next thing you're going to do is insert a large text box in which you're going to write the country's name, go to text options, and give it a transparency of about 99 so that we can just see it in the background. Duplicate it and move it onto the top left corner. We're going to send it to the back, and only half of its part will be inside the slide because we want to see it all in the slide, so we'll just decrease its size. Close the format background panel. Next, we're going to duplicate the slide, go to the first slide, and while holding shift, move these text box of the country out of the slide. I don't want to be right on the left side. Select each individual part of the map along with the text box and move it onto the top that are onto the top. Let's move them top and make one of them more top or with more distance from the slide. Similarly, we're going to move those maps that are in the below part of the slide, we're gonna, while holding shift, we'll move them out of the slide. Select both the templates and give them more transition from the transition step. So this is the final result of all that we made, and if you like this video, be sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel and also hit the bell icon to get more latest updates from our YouTube channel, and you can also check out other videos as well.